Hey y'all, it is a beautiful day in the Ozarks. I'm in my local flavor kitchen today, and it sounds like a great day to make a chocolate mousse dessert cup. So easy, so delicious. Here we go. We're gonna start off with 1 cup of heavy cream. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for just a minute or 2 and get it nice and warm. Oh yeah, about a minute and a half, that is nice and warm. Now I'm gonna add some milk chocolate, the Ghirardelli chocolate chips. I love these. If you want dark chocolate, they have dark chocolate or semi-sweet chocolate, whatever you wanna do, but I'm gonna do milk chocolate. We are gonna add to this about a half a cup. No, I'm sorry, a half a bag. We're gonna do about, maybe a little more than half a bag. About half a bag of that. All right, let's give it a stir. Mix this up until it is nice and smooth. You can also do this on the stovetop if you'd like, whichever way is best for you. But that's how you want it, nice and smooth and silky. Now we're gonna make some homemade whipped topping, which I like to call homemade Cool Whip, which a lady did ream me for calling it homemade Cool Whip. She said, that is not homemade Cool Whip. That is whipped topping. So we are making homemade Cool Whip. Sometimes I use a stainless bowl for this. I'm gonna use this bowl today, and I like to put my bowl in the freezer or the refrigerator for a little bit and get it nice and cold. All right, so for this, I'm gonna go ahead and actually, I think I'm gonna use the whole thing. I don't know why I'm measuring this. We're just gonna use this whole thing because you can't have too much homemade Cool Whip. To that, we are gonna add some powdered sugar. You can measure this if you'd like. I usually don't measure it. I just kind of eyeball it, but let's put about a good cup in there, or cup and a half. I like it extra sweet. Here we go. This isn't gonna take long at all. Look how fast that comes together. It's already starting to stiffen up. There we go. That looks good. Just like that, where it makes some stiff peaks. Oh yeah. I'm gonna take some of this out and put it to the side for my topping. I got a little on me. So just take a little bit out for your topping. And now, now you're gonna take your chocolate and you're gonna put it right in here. Make sure that's good. And get it mixed in really good. And I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla, probably about a teaspoon. Did you know your cap is a teaspoon? Now you do. But yeah, that looks nice. I'm going to serve mine in these little clear plastic cups and make a little dessert cup out of it. So I'm just going to fill this up just like that. Then I'm gonna set these in the refrigerator for a little bit and let them get firmed up really good, okay? Probably about an hour. So while we're waiting on our dessert cups to get set up, I want to do a giveaway. This, for all my Oklahoma City people, this is the 2026 calendar for the Oklahoma City firefighters. And my sister and my mom both live in Oklahoma City. And I also have some friends, lots of friends who live in Oklahoma City area, but Shane and Cassie Williams also live in Oklahoma City, and Shane is an Oklahoma City firefighter. So we're gonna give this calendar away as a giveaway. I know that it's almost March, but we still have a lot of year left. So we wanna give this away. Shane and Cassie live in the Oklahoma City area, and he also has a business called Simply Windows where he cleans windows. So if you need a window cleaning, look him up, Simply Windows, and he'll do a great job for you. These are wonderful friends of ours, but let me find Shane real quick so I can show you. Shane. There he is, and he signed it. This on February. His 55th birthday was on February the 8th, the same day as my sister's. And lots of other people in here. I don't know these other people, but they seem to like little puppies. They're holding little puppies. If you would like to have this calendar of the OKC firefighters, we're gonna do a random giveaway. All you have to do is comment your address below, and we're gonna pick somebody, and we're gonna put this in the mail and get it to you ASAP. So there you have it, 2026 OKC firefighters. All right, it's coming to you. We'll pick you randomly. We'll let you know who won. Just put your address in the comments and we'll get it to you. All right, this recipe makes about 8 dessert cups. So if you need more than that, just double or triple your recipe. And if you like dark chocolate and want it to be a little more chocolatey, I would use the darker chocolate. All right, so now we're gonna put them together. You're just gonna take a little bit of your homemade Cool Whip, flop it right on top like that. Now I like mine kind of rustic looking. If you want to make it prettier, you can put this in a piping bag or something like that. All right, now we're going to take some other things. I'm going to take a strawberry, but I'm going to go ahead and cut the top of that off. That way, when they get done eating this, they're not sitting there holding this, wondering what to do with it. All right, so there you go. You have your strawberry, and then we'll do a couple of raspberries, just like that. A couple of blackberries maybe. And a couple of blueberries. Just kind of. Now, for the finishing touches, we're gonna get fancy. I'm gonna do a little mint. You can find this over in the produce section. They come in little, well, you could grow it yourself. But they come in these little containers, and you just get a little bit at a time. I do have some herbs coming though. I have some. My friend Heather is gonna make me some. All right, so then just take your mint and just pop it down in there just like that. Oh, fancy. Let me stick this in there a little bit further. Just like that. Oh my gosh. Fancy, huh? Isn't that beautiful? And I'll tell you right now, Greg will be like, what is this? He would say, you could leave the grass off of mine. La-dee-da. How easy was that? And look how beautiful it looks. Give her a try. Gall dang, that's good. That is just enough chocolate for me. And I'm a chocolate fanatic. I love chocolate, but that's just enough. I think any more chocolate than that, it would be too chocolatey. So it's just the right amount. Little berry. Yes. Go make these. Remember to expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today. Now, let's go share them with everybody.
That's nice.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah. Fancy dancy.
Look what I made.
What is this? Thank you much.
Chocolate.
Oh, that's great.
What are these? They're beautiful.
Thank you. Don't forget to send us your address for the random drawing that we will have to win the OKC Firefighter Calendar.